टाइप 2 में आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन ब्रीफली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, what according to the another author is modern civilization? Answer, according to the author, modern civilization is the worship of materialism, violence, and brutality. It is the triumph of material civilization. इसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, what did the author convey to the countryman about dealing with modern civilization? Answer, the author conveyed to the countrymen about modern civilization. He has learnt a lesson from modern civilization that we should be devoid of it. He asked the countrymen to shun the modern civilization at all costs. Question number 3. What is the distinguished characteristics of modern civilization? Answer, an indefinite multiplicity of human wants is the distinguished characteristics of modern civilization. The modern establishes areas really from wants. Question number 4. The author perceived danger from modern inventions. How? Answer, the author believes that the modern inventions give us momentary pleasure. They were maddening to resist. According to the author, we are in the danger of exchanging the permanent good for momentary pleasure. Number 5. What does the author prefer of materialism? Answer, according to the author, the spiritualism refers to materialism. Question number 6. What does our civilization depend upon? Our civilization depends not upon multiplying our wants but upon resisting wants and adopting self-denial. Question number 7. What is civilization in the real sense of the term? Answer, civilization in the real sense of the term is the deliberate voluntary restriction of wants which alone increases and promotes contentment and real happiness. थोड़ा शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन, अब अगला लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन शुरू होता है। लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन, पहला क्वेश्चन, आई बिलीव दैट द सिविलाइजेशन इंडिया has evolved is not to be beaten in the world. What does Gandhi mean by this statement? Do you subscribe to his views? Answer. By the above statement, Gandhiji means that the Indian civilization is not to be beaten in the world. All other ancient civilizations have been beaten either by change of time or blow of modernity. Civilizations of Rome, Greece, Egypt, Japan or China have lost their days of glory, but India has remained unchanged. Yes, I subscribe to the views of Gandhiji and I proud to be a part of culture, Indian culture and civilization. So number 2. We notice that the mind is a restless bird. The more it gets, the more it wants and still remains unsatisfied. Pick out other metaphors used in the lesson. How do these metaphors help Gandhiji in pursuing the readers? Sir, some other metaphors used in the lesson are: it may be that my reading is wrong, but I know that for India to run after the golden fleece is to court certain death, so understanding and believing it behaves every lover of India to clean with old civilization, Indian civilization, even as a child clings to the mother's breast. Metaphors make the language more attractive and simpler. They also clarify the significance of the topic. The comparison between two terms makes the basic concept clean and makes the speech ardent. Thus, these metaphors help Gandhiji in persuading the readers. Number 3. A man is not necessarily happy because he is rich or unhappy because he is poor. The rich are often seen to be unhappy, the poor to be happy. What, according to Gandhiji, holds key to real happiness? How does Gandhi define happiness? Answer. According to Gandhiji, happiness is a state of mind. It does not depend on wealth. The key of real happiness is to keep away from luxuries and pleasures. People who work enjoy better health and happiness than those who are slaves to machines and others. So number 4. Why did our ancestors feel satisfied with a small village? Did they do the right thing? Will it be wise today to follow our answers in this connection. Give your own view. Answer. Our ancestors believed in simple living and high thinking. They knew that large cities were a trap and a useless burden. The people would not be happy in them. There are vices like gambling and prostitution. On other hand, life in village is free from competition. It would be wise to follow our answers even in this connection because we have to save our civilization, but for this is it necessary to develop villages so that people can earn a repetitive repetitive living, then they will not think of flocking to cities. Question number 5. Discuss the negative features of Western civilization. Sir. Western civilization is the worship of material. It laid more stress on materialistic progress. It propagates immorality and promotes disparity people. It is a godless civilization. It has degenerated into selfish, physical and intellectual, self-satisfied and instigates us to become slaves of luxuries and comforts. So number 6. What is the essential difference between the Indian civilization and the Western civilization? How is our civilization superior to the Western civilization? Answer. The essential difference between the Indian civilization and the Western civilization is that West emphasizes luxuries and pleasures and favors material progress, whereas India civilization preaches against self-indulgence and restricts wants and supports self-denial. Our civilization is superior as Western civilization has made wonderful discoveries in things of material, but they hold no rank amongst the great and marvelous discoveries which our civilization has made of the spiritual and religious things. Thus, our civilization is superior to the Western civilization. So, number 7 long का आखिरी क्वेश्चन. A certain degree of physical harmony and comfort is necessary, but above a certain level it becomes a hindrance instead of help. Albert. Answer. It is true that physical harmony and comfort are necessary for our body. They give us fresh energy for more work, but it should be enjoyed to certain level. Above that level it becomes a hindrance. Indulge in passions without restraint become a burden and breaker in our service of humanity. To the slave, to comforts and pleasures will degrade degrade us morally also। इस तरह से यहाँ से इसका लॉन्ग समाप्त होगा। अगला क्लास में इससे आगे। हाँ।